I came here to see my mom. I wished for her every day. I mean, we all did. And, not having her during, birthdays and graduations, I mean, that kind of like left a big hole in our lives. She's always dreamed for a much better life for her children. She wanted to give us what she didn't have growing up.
I figure out that if I work here and stay even for a short time, I will be able to do what I really like to do in life.
We bring it to America, to United States. They have the best medication there.
But luckily, we found the right doctor for us here when we came here in New York City, and he has been taken care of.
She wasn't just doing it for herself, she was doing it for her kids. So I think that's what kept her motivated. My mom went through a lot. She came to Spar Bernstein in 1996. She was really blessed to have Spar Bernstein as her lawyers because they really fought for her.
My name is Brad Bernstein. I'm the president of the law offices of Spar Bernstein. The firm was started by my grandfather, Harry Spar, in 1958. He was an attorney, and he began doing immigration work with housekeepers.
In the Philippines, the economy is not very good when I left. And no matter how I try I'm working as a teacher, I do other things like tutoring, and still it's not enough. Spar and Bernstein are always there whenever I call them. It's like when I call them, there is always somebody to answer my questions. And I find it very, very helpful because coming to a country like this where you have very limited people that you get very limited help, having a lawyer is very, very helpful.
It was really her dream to send her children to school here. She tells me that every day that she got more than she asked for, and she actually got more than she could ever hope for.
We were given 6 months to stay, but our visa was like, when we got it, it was good for 10 years. When we came to Attorney Bernstein's law office, he was the one who gave us, like, let's say, hope for people or family like us whose status is really going nowhere, and with our children, it's really hard. It was Attorney Bernstein who really, okay, here's what we can do for you. If you have something like this, then we will work on it. And he told us that we just really have to wait until new law comes, but then it's better to wait and work on with something than doing nothing at all with you guys. Yep. That is the most important thing that we learned from Attorney Bernstein compared to the other law offices that we've been to.
What separates us from other law firms is two things. Number one, we care about our clients, and that's seen every day in how we handle your cases, in how we deal with you on a one-on-one personal basis. And the second thing is that we know what we're doing in multiple interdisciplinary practices. So when you come to us with a problem, we have multiple attorneys from various facets of the law who can help you.
always wished to go to a nice school in the Philippines when I was young. But my mom, cannot send me because we are 7 children. So I told myself, if I cannot go to that school, I will bring that school in here.
Every person deserves to have a fair shake in life, and every person deserves a fair playing field. That's what we're about. We're about helping people make better lives for themselves, making them happier, making their lives here in America better.